I just wanted to hop on here before we get this vlog started. We are going to be going live October 6th for our anniversary on this channel. So be on the lookout for that, guys. Make sure you guys have your post notification on so you can get notified as soon as we go live. We would love to hang out with you guys and we're super excited for that. Without further ado, enjoy this vlog. Currently right now rendering out a family print project vlog. We are really taking things in our own hands and getting back on track with everything that we have going on. This is the first video in like a month that we've actually had uploaded on Tuesday. So really excited for that, really happy about that. As we continue to develop everything that we have going on behind the scenes, we do appreciate y'all taking the time to watch these vlogs. And literally, this is the last week that completes our 1 year of vlogging every single week from this entire year. We want to do a recap from the beginning, kind of give a story on that, and really take the time to do that. Finding out time after next week, and giving you guys an exact date on this vlog of when we're actually going to go live with you guys to celebrate 1 year on YouTube, posting every single week. So we're really excited about that. So much stuff has developed. We just booked another market. We're trying to get another one done for the 26th, seeing what we have going on for that. So we're definitely trying to get that going. We do always have the backup for Fieldhouse on the 26th as a half day. We won't ever do full days there. Only half days. It's only worked the last 2 times we've gone there. It's literally by no later than 3 p.m. if we decide to do that. So we do have that as a backup, which is good. And let's show y'all what we got going on the printers. Kitty. Hello, kitty. Pocket Beat Baby and Jumbo Duck here. We have completed Amanda's horn. We just had to put the head strap done portion of it. A tester on a custom order for one of our regular customers. So we have that we're going to showcase as well. Perfect size, I believe, for what she was requesting. About to fire up the 85X because we do have to get our mystery eggs back up and running. So we're going to get that going. And we have to film a dedicated video for one of the laser engravers and the heat press that we were given. So we got to get those things done. That are both going to be individual videos. These are still part of the projects we need to complete. Let's go ahead and get the build plate ready for some more prints. Oh, and we're going to go ahead and start taking pictures, redo inventory today, and fixing our website because our website is super discombobulated and it needs to be cleaned up. So one note that I will say is I didn't put the brim on there myself. I don't know if the software now allows it to where it'll automatically do it if it feels it's needed. But that just makes the process easier in a way. But I have the cool plate on here, so I don't really need the brim on there because it just makes it for more work. But let's go ahead and get these ducks off. Yeah, we got really bad layer line shifts here. So time to reset and redo these. And we don't have enough brown to get that done. So time for a new print. We've got a couple keychains that we finished for today. Didn't get the chance to vlog that, but literally we have a jam-packed situation we got going on. We're literally redoing pictures and keeping it consistent because this is the foreseeable plan right now. Amanda is redoing inventory right now, so we've got that going on. By the way, I'm killing it on TikTok with the dancing game. Go check it out. The markets we had for this weekend have been canceled, but we're trying to find out from our main location that we like to go to, which is the Field House, to see if they will allow us to come tomorrow. An email has already been sent out, and that'll save us for this weekend because it's supposed to rain all weekend. So that's going to be pretty intense. And getting some product inventory done. Let's go. All right, so we've made an executive decision that we're taking pictures out here. Me and Amanda had a little bit of a difference of opinion, and she won in this conversation, and pictures look 10 times better out here because we don't have lighting equipment to set up proper photos for these products. So our best bet is to get them out here and to get them done, do them correctly, to get them online right. This area is a bit of a mess right now. We are rearranging again. We've got some more bookshelf space as we got some more shelving. So we're rearranging everything to be more ready for products. So products and stuff like that can be put places, and you know, we got things going. About to fire up the printers. Let's get these guys off the bed real quick because we do have some prints to go into. Look at that, little duck earrings. Some more pocket peep ducks. For some reason, I don't know why, it automatically puts the brim on those, but look, there's no brim here. I didn't do that. So we're going to take the heat gun, get it done, and start getting these guys ready. All right, all printers are fully ready to start printing, so we're going to get that done. Family vlog videos are back in session as well, so we have that going. So if you guys want to see some more behind the scenes stuff and things like that, go check out the family vlog channel. It's definitely super appreciated. Even though it's a bit of a mess right now, we have all printers except for this one, and this one's still decommissioned. We still got to get this one fixed. We have some of our printers up and running. We got a bat going on Majin Buu. We have some mystery eggs going on Krillin. We have some festive Christmas items going on Launch, some turtles, and the final piece for Amanda's horns for her costume for Friday on the T1 Max. And there goes Amanda doing her horns. And she wants me to take over. Swore this had a filament sensor run out. It does not. Or at least one that I need to look at. So it's printing nothing right now. Let's go ahead and stop that. Alright, so I'm going to see if the software has a filament sensor run out, because this did not print correctly, as you saw from the earlier clip of the kiddos were talking in the background. So we're going to get another print going and start again. Alright, we have everything currently set up. Well, this is the last thing that's being moved out of here. That'll be done tomorrow. This is going to be our laser engraving stuff, which will be on its own. We also will have an updated version talking about the 85X, our Krillin printer, because there's actually something coming for the holidays for this, being Black Friday related. So be on the lookout for that video. Here is our stockpile of stuff, which looks really, really good. Everything, this is all new products that we're going to be working on and listing and getting things done like that. Plus, it'll be a good way to do live selling straight from here as well on top of that. So that's what we got here. Currently right now, since we don't have much PETG, we have one PETG up there, some mailers, some spray paint, and some earrings and things like that up there. Got our dryer box, our finished earrings bagged and shrink wrap. We have the bat rock and rolling. We're about to get some eggs done on this. Again, I got to figure out why it did not sense that it was out of filament. And we got our Santa turtles rocking and rolling. We got a little less than 50% done. So that's going to be great to see how that turns out tomorrow. I'm actually going to clean that up here right now. Get into the bucket, because by the time we wake up, it's going to be a lot more filled. Again, we're holding off anything PETG. We can't come up with any ideas yet. We want to definitely utilize it in a way that's going to be beneficial. We were thinking about doing some wands with this, but we're missing a couple colors that we're going to need, so we're going to hold off on that. By the way, looking for a fast printer, and I mean hella fast printer, this FL Sun T1 Max is a great printer for speed. So this is definitely something I'm going to utilize for parts very, very often. So keep on the lookout for that. We have our big pile of stuff here. This is all of our giant size products that's going to stay here. We're going to take pictures of them and have them in our folder that comes with us to the markets. People decide they want it, they can definitely order it, pay for it, and then we can deliver it, or we can have them scheduled for pickup at the next place. We have all of our current filament right here. This is kind of the current setup we have. We got a front row too for some more filament. We have a row down there for even more filament, and we have our stockpile of little knickknacks, you know, things to fix the printers, knives, things like all those things, clippers, all that good fun stuff. We got our weight scale there. And I'm thinking this is definitely the style that we're going to go with. And the next thing we're going to do, not now, not anytime soon, but we're going to reorganize every single one of these drawers to make more room to be able to put more stuff in where they need to go. for more maintenance. But yes, this is definitely looking a lot better. Very, 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 very excited. Now, where we used to live, there is a building that's being built up for businesses. We are trying to get an idea of what that's going to be and how much we need to push. Again, we still haven't listed anything, and this is the reality of it. We just keep getting sidetracked with life, with everything that we got going on, with the kids' school stuff, with Halloween coming up, and we're really trying to buckle down on it. So tomorrow, let me rephrase what I was just trying to say. What I meant was we have everything, and we are slowly getting everything listed on our website, but we haven't gotten anything on eBay, Etsy, Palm Street, things like that. Those are the things that we haven't gotten done quite yet. That's where we're falling behind on. But as you can see, we are organizing, we are fixing things up. We are getting things very organized so that way we can just easily flow into doing things and get better at managing our time and managing what we need to get done. And I think we have a system that's definitely going to be utilized a lot better. This used to be our pantry. If you guys have been watching the vlogs, this used to be our pantry, but we had gotten another one, which we'll show you here. We are utilizing this 3-tier bookshelf for our pantry space. And we got our guide right here. And that's the one little note that I'm going to leave y'all off with tonight is utilize what you have to the best of your ability. Make it better each time and modify your space as best as you can, because if you're doing this as a business, again, I always like to mention as a broad thing, whether you're crocheting, you're doing stickers, whatever you're doing, continuously modify your space to accommodate the changes you're trying to adapt to and manufacture for your business. Until you get the perfect setup for what you have going on that's going to keep it flowing at that rate, or plan to start getting things in line to expand off into a warehouse, into the garage, whatever it is you decide to do. We're keeping you guys on par with what we're doing and keeping it real. We appreciate you guys watching. I can't believe this is the week 52. We have been vlogging for every week for a straight year. A year. Thank you guys all for being here. It's definitely very much appreciated for you guys being here at this time in our development. We're going to do a video of a recap of kind of our first beginnings, kind of showcase me and Amanda's reactions to like how we've grown, all the things we've gone through. We'll do a video on that. We're going to be doing a celebratory video. We're going to be doing a live stream. We're going to try to figure it all out with what we got time to do, and we're super excited to share it with you guys. Thank you guys so much. It's so appreciated. And let's keep this channel going. And all printers officially a go. Back up and running. And it does have a sensor, but for some reason it didn't figure that out. So this is definitely going to be another test. We'll see what it looks like when I wake up in the morning, because this should run out by the time that's done. So hopefully it'll pause. This is definitely something I'm going to run by the FlashForge team so we can go ahead and get that figured out and fixed as best as we can and documented and see what's going on. And this guy is just printing beautifully. So what I'm doing right now originally I was going to do a Batman piece, but there is actually something that's more important than I need right now, because we're going to keep this area kind of running smoothly. And that is the A1 mini poop chutes. We're going to get one for this one. We're going to get one for this one. And then eventually we're gonna go ahead and get the one for this one going as well. But, you know, we got to figure out what's going on with this one. It has to do with something here, so we'll see what's up. Oh, no! We've got some movement going on. So let's get that fixed. Let's go ahead and cancel that guy before it makes things worse. Surprisingly, it had just enough. This bad boy's done. This bad boy's been done for a minute. That's done. This is also done. I am going to make it wider. This is pretty good for this tight spot right here. So I'm going to get this set up and get another back going. Again, I will have to say, the 85X has the best brim on the market. All right. Can't do it with one hand, but look at this. Ready? This is fully on there. Super minimal cleanup work that I need to do. And that's the entire thing right there. The brim just comes right off. And not only that, but I think arguably they have the best rainbow filament on the market. It's the one that I've had the best luck with so far. This filament's been sitting here for over a month, and this is the results. It was a good tester and kind of one that I wanted to test, especially with being by the window here. No drying, slight stringing. This is the results. I would have to say absolutely really good and doesn't look gummy like some other filaments I've tried in the past. I do want to notate this too, so we are going to go ahead and reprint right straight from the machine. This is the only issue that I'm currently experiencing with their software not being the best. That is what number? I don't even know what number that is. We're going to go ahead and finish out with number 2, because we need to see and test the runout sensor. So we'll see that in a minute. All right, here we go. Let's see what's going on. Rocking and rolling, looking solid. Things about to kick off on launch. So far, it looks like we're rocking and rolling. All right, that's a good sign. That's a new sign that we're able to go ahead and click reprint, and it's going. Let's see how it handles the runout sensor, runout filament with the sensor this time. That's the real question. Looks like the software has registered. It's picked up that information this time. So let's get one of these old filament on there and get things going again. All right, we got another one of these baskets going. This is what it turned out to look like. It looks pretty dang good. It's gonna do me wonders. Got another bat. Almost finished. These guys are done, and that wraps it up for this one. I'm gonna order some more filament after the 5th, or after this weekend. We'll see how much we make at this weekend's market. But we are going to be going live for our celebratory 1 year on the 6th of November. On the 6th of November, we're going to go live and celebrate with you guys, so be on the lookout for that. Put your notification bell on if you guys have not put your notification on yet. And that wraps it up for this week's video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button. We are looking to do a lot more. Very excited, and thank you guys for watching. We'll catch y'all next week in... Are we going to continue or keep season 2? We're going to continue on with the episode, so next week will be episode 53. We're going to continue on the series to see how long we can keep it up on this weekly series, and thank you guys so much. Again, it is truly appreciated. It is truly appreciated. We have had one roller coaster every year. First year, I should say, and to many, many, many more.